Founded in 1980, Rhino Lifts set a single goal: to be the leader in the electro-hydraulic equipment manufacturing space, and the results thus far have surpassed all our expectations. For each division that constitutes our team, there is a commitment based on effort. We apply our knowledge to the development of technologies and systems that, in addition to bringing security, provides solutions to the needs of space, accessibility, and time. We design, manufacture, and install products of the highest quality. Our equipment is reliable and backed by a comprehensive warranty. Over the years, we have developed an extensive product line and registered trademarks, each specifically designed for a particular industry segment. The reliability of our products and maintenance programs have led us to many satisfied customers who have received personalized attention, prompt service, and unmatched overall experience. In 2018, we expanded internationally and began shipping to the United States, Canada, and South America. Rhino Lifts has an experienced team and a state-of-the-art facility, which enables us to design and manufacture over 90% of the components and spare parts used in our product line, realizing exceptional operational efficiencies and ensuring manufacturing precision. We perform extensive tests and guarantee operability even under extreme conditions. We stock parts in strategically located warehouses throughout North America to optimize response times and further enable prompt aftermarket service. Rhino Lifts is constantly evolving and heavily investing in research and development. Our products are synonymous with quality, durability, and excellence. We build under the strictest safety and environmental standards, and are proud of the industry certifications and recognition awards we've earned along the way. Rhino Lifts has over 50,000 units installed, a result of a monumental effort, which constantly pushes us to continue to be front-runners in the hydraulic equipment manufacturing space and the most effective option on the market. Nobody makes lifts like Rhino.